Okay, so list view. What is the list view? What is the use of the list view? List view is list view is scrollable list of widgets arranged linearly. Okay, it's it display it display its children one after another in the scroll direction. Scroll direction vertical and horizontal. Now direction may be vertically or horizontally. In this class, I want to load the list view of few items. So I want to load the countries list into the list view. Okay, country list. First step is how to start the project. Already my project is created here. Okay, so in this project in the main.dot I can find two routes here. For that I will create another class for country list. List view dot. This is the first step. First stateful widget, and here we need to import the material. I'll copy from the main.dot, and this import we required. This is required of the import. Now, now this is I added the notes below. Here, steps is create a new file and create a new file and load this file as the initial route. Okay, so for that I will go to main.dot import the my class. Import the my class. What is the import the my class? Is country list. My class is country list. Okay, then so this country list I will add into the routes. So routes names is country list. Route name is the country list. Context country list. So here out of three, I want to load the country list as the first widget. This is the initial route. Okay, meanwhile, I will run the project. And then in the country list, What is my requirement is I want to load the list of countries. I want to load the list of countries. For that, in the top, we'll take a one list with country list names is strings, right? Okay, names is a string data type. In the list, take as a country list equal to, for now, I'll take a empty one. Okay, now I will remove the scaffold, remove the container, scaffold, and the scaffold with the semicolon. In the between, I will add the app bar. Okay, app bar, app bar. Title of the app bar is text. Text is country list, country names, country list. And the body, I will take like a container. Inside the container, see the container had ended here. Inside the container, I will take a property called width. This width I will give as a screen width. So how to get the screen width is media query dot of context dot size dot width. Same like that. Height, height is media query of size dot height. Okay, so we gave the container width and height as a screen width and height. Now in the child, I want to load the list view. Okay, I want to load the list view. Okay, so list view has a four types: list view, list view dot builder, list view dot custom, list view dot separator. Okay, so in the list view, in out of four, I will use the list view dot builder. So in this list view dot builder, list view dot builder. So here I want to load the I need to create a item builder in the item builder section. After that, before that, in the list we're expecting two things. One is that how many items we're going to load. That is the item count. The item count I will give it as a country list dot length. Okay, country list dot length. In the item builder, create a item builder screen the design. Okay, in item builder I will take it as a one container or card. Okay, so inside the card there is an item called child. Inside the child, here need to display the country name. Okay, so country name. So initially the country list is nothing. Okay, so from there, this is a country list I copied from Google. Okay, okay. So this is a list of countries I copied from the Google. Okay. So this country list, that item count as the country list dot length. Here, from here, after item builder, I need to get one by one value. Okay, I need to get one by one value. So here, how to get the value is that value through the index. You can see the index is there. So through the index, we'll get it from the value from the country list. The final, final. That value I will store it as a final variable. Okay, name of the country name. Okay, country name equal to what is the our country array? Country list array is country list of index. This index is coming from the list view item builder. This item builder giving the index. This index will pass into the this array. So this array based on the index get the value from the array. That value is stored into the country name. This country name I'm going to display into the text country name. Okay. So this is way of loading the countries. Okay. Let's run this project. This is my project output. Right side you can see that project output. Run on the Chrome. Okay, so again I will run that. Sorry. Now see, after run this, uh, our country names displayed here. You can see that all the country names. Okay, so now so here I want to do some beautification. Okay, I want to show some beautification to list. Okay, this list is there, right? So I want to do some beautification for this. So here you can see here, this is the, you can see this is the card, right? This is the card. That code is this one. The what is the item builder code is there here. This item builder code. Okay. So inside the item builder, this is a card. We are returning the card here. Okay. So that card is this cards. This one, they all are the cards. Okay. So inside the card, there is a text is there. Okay. Inside the card, there is a text is there. So I here for the text, this is a text, right? For the text, I want to give the space. I want to give the space around and give the font to the country name also. So here in this country, in the text area, I need to apply this text. I want to wrap into the padding. I want to wrap into the padding. Let's see after adding the padding, what will what is output will come. Okay, so click on this. This one I want to wrap into the one padding. Okay, so click on the bulb symbol, click on padding. So see here the edge insert all is there. That meaning is all means exists, all means, for example this one, this is a top. Okay, top, left, right, bottom. So if this is 8, right? So this size is 8, 8, 8, 8. That meaning is around the text box, okay, around the text box, some space is added with 8. Okay, if you want to add only left and right, there is a instead of all, we can take a only. Okay, you can specify the where you want to give the space, either top, bottom, left, right. Okay, now here the space is 8 only. Okay, so now instead of here, I will change it to 30. That meaning is That meaning is this text around this text is the padding added to the padding is all places is 30. Inside the padding text is there, so automatically some space is added around all the places 30. Okay, again I run this code. Now you can see the we can see the output here. See guys, this is output. Okay, so this is some space is added around all the places. So all the places, the space is added all the places. See, this is top, the swim space 30, 30 and 30. Also remaining is remaining space. Okay, so the that is that is use of the padding. Inside the padding we added the text. Okay, so in this case, but if you want to add the padding, only top. Okay, only top and bottom. Okay, top only top is 30 and bottom is 40, for example. This meaning is, after that put the comma, this meaning is the padding is applied to the text only top and bottom. Only top and bottom. You can see. So you can see the left is no space because of we are not apply the left side. We are not apply the left side. Only we applied the padding and we are applying the padding to the top and the bottom. The top is 30. The bottom is 30. This top is applied here. This bottom is applied here. Same thing here also. All areas. Okay. Next. Next, so again, I want to add some padding left side also. Left also will add as a 25. After adding the padding, now we can see the output. That is move to the some space added, some space to the left side. Now, what is the next one is? This is a text widget. The text widget has a some property. Okay, so when I mouse over on this, we can see the property of the text. We can see the property of the text. Okay, now inside this property, I'm going to use the style. What is the use of the style is? What is the use of the style is? Add the some font. Add the some font. You can see inside the textile, these are the property: color, font family, font size, feature, height, width. These are the different word spacing. These are the other property. In we are using the few property of the style of the text. That is the font size. I want to increase the font size of this text. So I will use the font size as a 25 and font weight is W 500 or 600, whatever it is. Okay, now run this project. Now the some changes is happening to the text. Some changes will happen to the text. Now you can see the font is uploaded as a 25. Now we can see the items are scrolled. Items are is a scrolled from the top to bottom. This is the now this is the list view loaded the list of countries. That countries we are taking as a one array. Okay, as a one array. Now so here, this is a way of loading the list of item inside the list view dot builder. Okay, next, see if you apply the card only. See now we see if you apply the card only. So that's why this space is around added. This is the shape of the card. This is the shape of the this is a card. This is the shape of the card. That's why some card design is came automatically inside the card. Padding is there, the padding inside the padding text widget is there. Okay, so now instead of the card, let me change it to the container. We can see some observation. Okay, instead of the C, the container. Okay, you can wrap with the container also. Let's see this. If you apply the container, if you apply the container, so there is no shape of the card. Okay, that case we can give the decoration to the container. Okay, you can give the decoration to the container also. We can give the decoration to the container. So instead of giving the decoration, I'll use the only card for the shape of the card shape. Now the output is come with some card. See, see the output here. This is a card. This is about list view, list view with list view with one country list. Okay, okay. So my goal is now. My goal is now. I want to see my requirement. I will tell you how to transfer the data between between one screen to another screen. Okay, so I will create a diagram here. No slide, empty blank. Okay, so draw here. My requirement is here. My requirement is this is a my screen. Okay, this is screen number one, and this is a screen number two. Okay, this is a screen number one, and this is a screen number two. Okay, previously when I click on this button, this is a button. Okay, B button. When I click on this button, we are navigate from this screen to this screen. Okay, but this requirement already we did that one. That is already uploaded in that. But here, once what we are entering the data here, that data transferring to the this screen and display this information. What you are typing this information, I want to display this information into the this screen. Okay, I want to transfer the information from this screen to another screen. For that, what is my requirement is first I will take a one screen. Okay, and this is the second screen, and in the first screen what are the widgets is text widget and button widget. This is input text field. Okay, text form field, and the button widget aligned vertically. That meaning is first in the scaffold take a one container. Okay, inside the container, inside the container I will take a one column. Okay, I will take a one column. Inside the column I will create the children's are text form field and button. Okay, text form field is button. See what we are entering the data here. The data I'm going to transfer from this screen to this screen. So this after design the screen, and the second screen is this is a screen and this is a text. Just we are displaying the data what you are typing here, that data we are displaying here. Okay, only we take like a only text widget inside the column or any widget. This is my requirement, so I want to start my coding. Okay, what is the first step is So create a two screens. Okay, I will go to the coding. Okay, right click on lib, create a new file. The file number is like okay, data entry screen. For example, data entry screen dot one file. One is data display screen dot. The two screens is created. Sorry, the extension is, I will rename the extension. Actually, my extension DART. Okay, then only it will accept. Now I have the two screen. One is for the data entry screen and one is for the data display screen. Okay. Now in the data entry screen, this is the first one is data entry screen. This is a data display screen. Okay, in the entry screen we have to enter the data. Okay, let's create the screen first of all. Now first a stateful widget and the data entry screen, we need to import the material. So data entry screen, this is a data entry screen, and another one is data display screen. Data display screen. Now we created the two screen. What are the next step is, after creating the screen, go to the main dot. Go to the main dot. We import those screen to the main. So import, okay, import data entry screen, and as well as I will import the data. I will import the data display screen. Okay, import is done. Then I need to give the routing, comma, double quotation slash data entry screen and colon context data entry screen. This is the first, this entry screen, and another screen is as data display screen. Data display screen. You can take any name here. Okay, here, and data display screen. This is a two screens is created. Okay, so as per this code, initially loaded the country list, right? So instead of the country list, I will change it to the data entry screen as a initial route. Okay, so now my part is done in the main dot. In the main dot only, just import and create a routes, and which was initial route, we have to give the initial route only. Then now I'm going to move into the entry screen. Click on a control and tap on this. Automatically it's jumping to the that particular screen. Yes, I am directly, it's coming from the main dot. Okay. Next, inside this, inside as per the PPT, you can see first container column. Inside the column children, two children is there. Okay, now I will remove this container. Any screen start with the scaffold, widget, and after entering the scaffold widget, semicolon, inside that inside that inside that we need to add a one container. Okay, app bar, the title is data entry screen. App bar lo, inside the app bar, the title is data entry screen. The title is data entry screen. The text, inside the text, we need to wrap this value. Okay, next, after this comma, tab bar and the body. So body as a container. Inside the container, the width. Basically, I will give the width as a screen width and a screen height. Again, I will write the media query of context dot size dot width comma height media query of context size dot height. Okay, in the container I will take a body, sorry, child as a one column. Okay, guys, see the side by side what I'm typing here, similar, what is the display, this is output. Based on the output I'm writing the code inside the column. Children is there, two children is there, one children for text form field. Okay, so another one is a text button. So in the text button, this is a text button, and child is show the data, that's it. Okay, or we can give the we can give like next. Okay, so here, so some space is between the two things, right? For that space I will give that sized box. Height I will give like a 35 or something else. Okay, now is the done of entry text field. But let's run this output. We'll see output here. Run the code and see the output here. Okay, this is a, I want to load as a, sorry, I want to load as a, see, we change the initial route, right? So I want to start from the begin. Okay, I want to start from begin. Again, I will run the code because of I change the initial route. After changing the initial route, we need to run again. So then only the main is executed again and take the initial route. Okay, so meanwhile, see how to in the button action, how to get the information of the text form field. Okay, in the text form field, the controller one property is there. So this controller, I'm going to assign the controller. That controller I will take as a global variable that we can take any name. Data entry controller equal to text edit controller. Okay. So this is a text edit controller, semicolon. This data edit controller will assign to the control property of the text form field. So here underscore data entry controller. Now this we after assigning, we can access the data of the text form field. What are you entering here? What is the what is this? See data controller. Okay, so now in the on press, so if I print if I print that if I print whatever we can print the text, we can print the text of the input text field information here. Okay, once I click on the button, now see data entry, this is a data entry text box and next button. Okay, so these two I want to move in center of the widget. Okay, so main access element dot center. Okay, this will move to the middle of the screen. Now see, you can see the middle of the screen. So this is the next action. Once I click on the next action, for example, hello, this is a text, this is a text, This information I need to pass to the next screen when I click on the next button. When I click on the next button. Okay. So now, so far we completed the text information here, and we can see the next one is as for the PPT, we completed a two, and when I click on this, data need to transfer to this screen. Data need to transfer to the this screen. So for that, we need to design the screen for second screen also. Okay. So far we complete that screen design for only first screen. Okay. For the beautification, let me add the background color to scaffold. So there is other property. Previously we are not used this background property of this scaffold. Now I'm going to add the background color. Okay, colors dot. We can use any color or anything. Okay. So now light blue, indigo, and scent. Yeah. Okay, but output is not coming properly. Let's keep it other yellow or something. Sorry, yellow. Okay, now. So once I enter this information, this text color also I need to change to white. Okay, again style of the text text style. Yes, I repeated again the same property of the text. Okay, colors dot white and comma font size is 80. Now we can see here. The text, white text also not visible property, and I will change it to black only. Now see, okay. So this is a text, but we need to add some decoration to the text. Okay, we need to add some decoration to text. So how do you add the decoration? So inside inside the text form field, other property called decoration. Okay, so inside the decoration, input decoration, input decoration, I will fill with the color. Okay, this is a new thing. Okay, I want to fill with the fill color is colors dot white. Let's see, I'll give the this one fill color comma and focus color. That's input decoration. That is other property. Filled. So we have to pass the true. We have to pass the true also. Once true value. See that this is a text bar. You can see this. This is a text bar. Text is filled with the white color. Okay. Now we can see the text very clearly. And here and here now this is I want to add the space left and right to the left and right to the screen. For that add some padding to left and right to the this text form field. Select the text form field and the bulb symbol wrap with the padding, and the padding I want to give the only left and sorry right and left only. So instead of the all We can take only left 20, the right 20. Okay, now see the output. Okay, I got the some question. I how to change the text color, right? Yeah. So here in that input decoration only text style is there. Okay, style. Now 1 second. This is a int text like that style is there. I will apply the 1 second style this property. So now text style I'll apply the same text style. This is a text style is color. Okay, colors dot red. 1 second. It's why it's closing. 1 second. Again, I will run. This is a way of giving the color to text form field. Okay. See, red color is came, right? This is one. Red color is came. Now the change the text color, cursor color also. You can see the cursor is blue, is blinking. You can see. Okay. So if you want to blue to other, okay. For example, yellow. Let's say you can change that yellow also. You can see yellow color also. This is a cursor color and blue, orange. The cursor color. If I change the cursor color orange, see we can see. And this text style also we can give. See in the style property of the text form field, text style is red, and I want to change the font weight. The font weight dot w100 w500 and font font size is we can increase the we can give the font size also. One can give the font size also. See text. Okay. Now this is a font weight is 900. Let's say. See the thickness is coming, right? The font height. If you increase the font weight to font size to 25, now we can see the output. The size is increased. Okay. So this is way of giving the style to the text form field. Inside the text, you can give the text color, text style, text weight, whatever it is you are going to give the text. Same style we can apply the text form field also. And the cursor color also, the blinking cursor color also we can change. Okay. And other one is in a text form field has in decoration in the decoration text form field the prefix or suffix icon is there, the prefix icon. So I want to load the icon as for example, so icons dot few different some icons will come. So that icon for example email or something else. Okay, now we can see the some icons will added before the prefix. See the icon is added, right? That is a prefix icon. If you want to add the suffix icon, so for example same icon of icons 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 dot you can add anything. For example info, for example this is one icon, the predefined wake icon. See this is icon will coming. You can see text form field we are adding that we are adding the side we are adding that prefix icon and suffix icon. Okay. So this is a and this is hint text. For example, we need to add a in text inside the input decoration only. Hint text is there. Hint text. What are the hint text is? Please enter text. Okay. Once after done this one, you can see that hint text. Please enter text. Please enter text. Now after entering this one letter, it will go on the hint text also. Okay. So this is a basic way of adding the styles of the apply the styles to the text form field. And next one is yesterday we told, right, the border, outline border, we remove the border also. See that the underline is there, we can remove that also. Okay. Uh, so input decoration border, we can apply the input border also. Input border dot none. So not required a border if you want that. The border is not coming, just the text field with fill color is coming. Okay. Now the see the output. See there is no border, just text field. Just text field. There is no border. Nothing is there. This is a fill with a white color. You can see applied the fill with the white color. Okay. So if I remove the fill with white color is as a false, the color is not filled inside the text. See there is no filling, but we applied the fill color, but is not applied as a fill color. Okay. That's why if you give the fill color, it will add. It will need to enable the fill color also. Okay. See, so this is the text box. Okay, next one is, so once click on this button. Okay, hello, this is a text. Okay, so you can see the output in the below. So I have written the print statement inside the button action. Okay, so once a button is clicked, once a button is clicked, it will print the what you are entering the text. What you are entering the text is displayed here. You can see, for example, enter something like this, 33 like that. So now see the output. On enter see output. So this is the output. Okay. So this is way of printing the text. We are getting the text what you're entering here using the text edit text entry controller. That controller we created here, this controller we assign to the text form field controller. That's why whatever entering this text field, this is catching this data entry controller. So we are fetching this information from the data entry controller through the controller. Now, what is the next? I want to navigate to the next screen. I want to navigate to the next screen. So, what is the next screen is data display screen. In the data display screen, nothing is there. Need to design first. Scaffold widget. Okay, the scaffold widget bar 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 title as a text. Okay, data display screen. Okay, in the body in the body I will load one container. Hmm? The container with media query of dot context dot size dot width. Okay, and height media query of context dot size dot height. So now, so here in the child of the container, I want to load the text. I want to load the text. Whatever entering that information, when I click on the next button, the screen is loaded, and we need to cache this information from the navigation and display the into the text box. Okay, so first of all, first we'll transfer the data first. Then we'll cache the data here. Okay, so in the data entry, in the press action, how to navigate through the route navigator dot navigator dot push named. So here we'll apply the name of the route name of the route. Okay, what is the name of the route? Data display screen, an entry screen. This is a data display screen. But what is the next one is, while navigate that, we need to pass the information. Okay, we need to pass the information. After this, just write the comma. There is a called as a arguments. Inside the argument, I am passing that text information of the data entry text data text. This information we are passing this information. We are passing navigator dot push named, and this is a nav route name, and this is a argument. This argument I am going to pass through the navigation. Okay, and so after passing the navigation, okay, after passing the navigation, see, the navigation, we are passing the argument. We can pass the arguments any type. Now we are passing the string. We can pass the any kind of data, okay, through the arguments. But here, after sending that argument, how to get, we are transferring the data to next screen. That's okay. So when I click on the next button, it's navigate to the display screen. But in the display screen, I want to cache that information. How to cache the information is, arguments of arguments is model route is there, model route dot model route dot of context dot the settings. Okay, settings dot arguments. Okay, settings dot arguments. Thus through the this argument, in the through the this argument, we'll get the arguments. But this arguments, what kind of data we are passing as a arguments, we need to typecast here. What kind of data we are passing? This is a string data. I'm passing the string. Okay, this argument, what is, I'm passing the argument to this screen as a string, as a string, as a string. This is a string. Okay, this argument is coming like a string. This arguments I will paste into the text box. I will paste into the text box. Again, I will run this code. So this is way of transferring the data from one screen to another screen. So now see, hello, this is text. Okay, and so click on the next. See, you can see here, we are moving to the screen, but hello, this is a text. This is a text we are displayed. Whatever you entering this information, that information is passing to the next screen. So through the arguments. Okay, I want to place this child in the middle of the container. I will use the alignment property, alignment dot center, and again I will give the some style to the text style, text style. Font size is a 30, and font weight is a font weight dot w 500. That's it. Okay. So again, I've run this project. Okay. Hello. Some information added, and click on the next. The data display in the middle of the screen with what you are entering the data here. We are passing to the next screen. We are passing to the next screen. This is way of transferring the data from one screen to another screen using the route. Okay. Yeah. Generate the APK file. Okay. APK file. What is the APK? APK stands for APK stands for Android package kit. This is a APK. Android. The name called as APK called Android package kit. Okay. This format. What is the use of the format? It's it's the file format. This is a one file format. Okay, like PNG, JPEG, like that. Okay. Now it's okay. My screen is sharing, guys. I think Pallavi, I think you messaged me. Screen is not sharing. Now it's okay. My screen is visible to everyone, guys. Can you acknowledgement? Can you give me the acknowledgement? Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. I resume the recording. Okay. Okay. Now it's a file format. APK stands for Android Package Kit. It is the file format. Use it to distribute and install application on Android devices. Okay, so guys, so far you completed login screen, right? So that login screen, so if you want to see in your phone, till now we are loading in our computer in a browser or emulator, but if you want to see that output in your phone, in your physical phone, okay, so to want to load that one, we need to create a APK file. Okay, so this is a equivalent to execute file of the Windows. Okay, what is the how to generate the file? Okay, I think APK stand for, you guys know, right? Okay, now you got it. What is the APK? APK stand for Android Package Kit. This is a APK is a one file format to distribute this your application to other Android devices. Okay, so now just one we need to run the some command. Okay, first of all, we are in the terminal, right? So open project internal. Okay. Okay, already in VS Code, already we are in the terminal only. We are in the terminal only. This is our project location. After that, run on command call flutter build apk, this command. If we enter this command, so automatically it generate the one build. So, okay, that build is located in after generation that build. Let's see, let's run this flutter build apk, flutter build apk. If you run this apk, it's a generating the apk file. After generating the file, we need to save. Okay, automatically it's located inside the, okay, locate located apk file. Located apk file is after, see presently the build is processing the below. You can see after the build, after the build process completes, you can find the apk file in the build folder, build app outputs slash apk. In this directory you can see the build folder. Okay, so inside the build folder, so we are, so still is running. Okay, so still this command is running, that's why the app folder is not there in the build. Once this command executed successfully, the app folder is created. Inside the app folder, output folder also created. Inside the output folder, our apk file will be there. Okay, yes, just now see this APC, the folder is created. You can see this in the just now is created the app folder. Want to extend this folder now? See that after that output folder also will create. It's taking some time to generate the APK file. So the build folder, the app is created and outputs also just now is created. You can see the output. Okay, inside the output we can see the APK. Okay, I think it will take another 30 seconds. So you can see this guy. See automatically it's give the path build app output Flutter APK, that is a release APK, that 18 MB is there. Okay, so you can see that Flutter APK. This is our APK Android APK. So that APK I will show here. This is our APK file. That APK file. This file I will share into the Telegram. Please install. Okay, I'm sharing the this APK file to the Telegram. Or else you go to the drive. You can see we can place this one into the drive folder also. Okay, I will open the drive folder here. In the drive folder, okay, I will drag and drop this file. Okay, so I will drag and drop this file in the home. I will drag and drop this file. Okay, after uploading that, after it will take some time to uploading. So done. So this is where we can share this APK with the two ways. Either I can copy, I can give this link to anyone. Okay, this is the APK link. You can use this link, or else directly I have shared the link into the Telegram also. Okay, link and APK file both I have shared that. You can install your phone. You can check that this output it's a working or not. This is way of generating the APK file. After complete your project, if you want to share this to your team to test the application, this is way of giving the your APK file to the your team. Okay, first generate the APK file, then give this APK file to your team through the directly we can pass the APK file, or else you can drag and drop into the Google Drive, or else there is a other one website is there. Okay, so if you want, see DI, this is the one website. Upload your app. Okay, so if you're not comfortable with this is not secure kind of thing, so we can ignore this one, or else we can send this send this APK file to this website also. So just drag and drop this APK file. After drag and drop this file, the QR code will generate along with the link also. Just uploading. Okay, so upload is done. Can I click on? I will click on send button. Now we can see QR code. Okay, so my this QR code we can scan this QR code, or else this copy. This will only this project is automated delete after 1 day, I think. Okay, before only you can download. If this once the link is expired, you need to generate another link. Okay, so the three ways to share the your APK. After creating the APK, we'll share the APK three ways. One is directly we can share the APK in the Telegram or WhatsApp and everything. And second one is you can drag and drop into Google Drive. We can share that link to your friends. And the third one is using this diy.com. So using this website, you can drag and drop this file and automatically generate the QR code along with the link. You can share that three ways to we can share the APK to your team. Okay. See, done. So after, okay, so build APK, it's a provide APK with a default Flutter icon. Okay, but I want to load my icon. Okay, I want to generate another APK with my icon. Okay, I want to generate APK with my icon. So what is my icon? First, I need to choose the icon. One second. Okay, guys. I want put this icon as a logo of the logo of the project. So one website is there. Make app icon. Go to the map. Make app icon and generate app icon. Okay. So now we can see the generate app icon. Now we can see the select a file, which is my file is the logo. So just drag and drop my file, just drag and drop my file to here. So automatically it's a processing the generating the icon, app icon. Okay, generating the app icon. See, after generate icon, oh, this will come like that. You can see this. It's showing like that. Okay, this icon will come up now. How many members download? Those people are getting the Flutter default logo. Okay, this is and this is iOS. How the show the Android? This is the see. If it's okay, just click on the download icon. Automatically, this icon will downloaded. Okay, so first of all, go to make app icon. and drag and drop your icon into the make app icon website, and after making that, download the icon. So this is my app icon. Okay, this is a see after generating icon, this website give the Android icons, Messenger, iOS icon, everything. But I want only Android icon now. I copy this one. I will copy or drag and drop to my downloaded. 1 second. Okay, so Android app is contained like this, identity pixel. These are things. These things I need to put into the my project. I will open my project. I will open my project. I want to set the icon for Android. Okay, Android app SRC. So this is a profile main. Main inside the resource folder is there. You can see the resource folder. You can see this is predefined icons is got it right. This is a predefined icons. These icons I will you can see this is a predefined icons. Okay, so high density, medium density, these are the things. This folder I need to replace with this folder. Okay, this is a replace with I copy this folder from here. I will go to my project. See again I will repeat. The first step is generated the icon from the make app icon icon. Okay, so first choose the icon and drag and drop the icon. Again I will repeat. Make app icon website. Go to the make app icon website. The website drag and drop, select a file or drag and drop the your icon. After selecting that, it's processing and give the option for the download icon. After download the icon, it will this website is provide the icon for iOS and Android. For our requirement is I want to put into the Android only now. You will see the later iOS. So those icons are copied. Okay, so here these are the my Android icons generated by icons is generated by make app icon. I copy these icons, all icons. I will copy this icon and these icons I need to paste into the inside Android. Okay, not inside Android, inside the Android. Go to the app, Android app, SRC main in main res folder, resource folder. Go to that folder. You copied right inside. Go to the inside folder. I will paste that. What is the getting from there? I will paste and replace all the things. Now we can see my logo is came here. You can see my logo it's came here. Okay, let's run now. Let's generate another APK now. Let's generate another APK now. This APK please download and check that app icon is there or not in your lap in your mobile. So the below or is downloaded from the make app icon. This is our file. Okay, so let's change one by one. High density this one. Just change this one and replace. Okay, one is completed and the medium density pixel just to drag and drop replace with destination, and third one is x and x1 replace with the destination, and the third one is fourth one. These are the different pixels, and this one and this one. You can see here, open here, our icon is updated with previously new icon. The Flutter icon is updated with our icon. Okay, predefined Flutter icon is there. Now this is our icon. Okay, so icon is got it here. We can successfully placed the Android icons. Now what next? Again, I need to generate a Flutter build APK. Okay, so APK generated. Let's again, I will share the APK to you after replace the app icon. Where is the APK is found? Build folder, app folder, output folder, APK. Okay, this is this APK. I'm going to I'm going to send to you guys. Okay, again. Okay, again. This is no APK. I'm sending the new APK. Okay, 11 file explorer. One second. As go to the DIY. Again, I will upload a new APK. Okay. So my new APK is there in File Explorer. I'll go to the Google and click on this and again drag and drop this icon. Okay. I'm sending the APK in the Telegram as well as I'm generating the APK in the. Okay. Now please download, guys. Okay. Please download.